welcome back to my channel. Do you like to make exactly the same album as I did? Then I am gonna show you what's in the kit. Stay tuned. Alright guys, when you open your box, then you will receive right this. Oopsie daisy. Alright, first of all, what you will see is what you get. Alright, so I made a ribbon set with all the colors that I thought will fit perfectly with this set. Everything I used is in this ribbon set. That's included. Then I also have, of course, everything that's needed with all the metals, all the eyelets, the bronze corners, the bronze little things that I added on the spine, little brads, long brads. Even the elastic is in here, so you can add your journals on the spine. So, and even the magnets are in here. So everything what I need is in the same bag as this one. Then the gold touch that I used in here is also to be found in your kit. Then of course the 6x6 of ZOJU Design Eclipse with 21 double sheets plus one bonus sheet. That's included. This is just a little welcome note for the kit you bought. Everything is not all measurements are written down on here because most of them I will give you during the tutorial. So this is just a welcome note. And then of course I love these words. Absolutely stunning, and if you not use them all, you always can use them on other projects. Love these. These are in English and on the back it's in Polish, so you even can choose. Then of course you have two of these super nice scrapbooking paper set, 8 double-sided sheets plus one bonus sheet. So yeah, you have plenty to use. So 2 of these are in your kit. Then of course the bookbinder's linen, that is enough, that will completely cover your cover. That same as I did. And of course the 2 chipboard pieces to make that album. And all the rest, well, not all the rest. The only thing that is not included in this kit is the black cardstock that I used for making the pages, and so I used black cardstock to make the pages. That is not included. The cream color cardstock that I used for making the photo mat is not included, and the print paper where I coffee dyed my paper with is not included. Those 3 items are not included. For the rest, everything is inside that I used. Alright, so hope you like it. So no non-templates or not anything. So really simple, but really, if you have the kit, then you can make exactly the same thing as I did. So I hope you like this, and yeah, make one on your own. Alright. Enjoy crafting. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, of course, the kit is available in my Etsy shop. I will put a link below this video, and if it's a trouble for you to go to the Etsy shop or even buy through the Etsy shop, then just contact me through the mail. I always have my email below each video to be found. Email me, ask me if you can buy this kit on private. If you have PayPal, then it's no trouble at all. Just email me or contact me through Facebook or anything. Just contact me and we can solve your problem. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, till next time. Bye.